Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Okay Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 9 Simple Interest and Compound Interest Exercise 9B Question 7. It is MCQ question. This is simple interest accrued on a certain sum is rupees 2000 in 5 years at the rate of 4% per annum. What would be the compound interest accrued on the same principal at the same rate in 2 years? So basically this is here what that simple interest on a certain sum is rupees 2000, right? So we don't know the sum, but we know the simple interest on it is 2000 at rate of 4% per annum and time of 5 years. So what is the next step here? See, the simple interest we know, right? 2000. The time we know, which is 5 years, right? The rate also we know, that is 4% per annum. Now the principal we don't know, so I will assume the principal as x. Now next step is to put this in the form of an equation. How? See, simple interest we know, that is 2000. Okay, just give me 1 second. The simple interest is 2000. So 2000 can be written as what? I can multiply all the three values, p into r into t, x into 5 into 4 by 100. This also I can say, because this will also equal to 2000 only. This is 2000 confirmed and this is also 2000 confirmed because both are same. But what am I doing this for is so that I can find out the value of x, which we need to find the compound interest later on. So see, I will cancel this 1 and 20, 4 and 20, I'll cancel 1 and 5. So 2000 is equal to x by 5, x, therefore x is equal to what? 2000 into 5, right, which is, that is, x is equal to rupees 10,000. This is your principal. Now what I will calculate? Now see, what is said here is that what would be the compound interest accrued on the same principal at the same rate in 2 years. Time is changed from 5 years to 2 years and the rate is the same and the sum, that is the principal, is also the same. So let's begin with the compound interest, where I'll calculate what? The interest for the first year, right, where the principal we know now, that is 10,000 and the rate is the same, 4%. Time will be 1 year. So my interest will be what? P into R into T, that is 10,000 into 4 into 1 upon 100. So what I will do, cancel this, I have rupees what? 400. 400 is your interest for the first year. Next is the amount. So the amount is going to be 10,400. Very simple, just add 10,400, you'll get 10,400 rupees. Now what I'll do is I'll calculate the interest for the second year. Okay, this is another thing. Interest for the second year, so the principal is rupees 10,400. The rate is going to be the same, 4%, and so will be the time, that is 1 year. So I have 10,400 into 4 into 1 by 100. Again cancel this. So what do you get here? You get 4 into 4, that is 16. 4 into 0, this is the correct one, no 0 there. Now this is the interest for the second year. So what will my amount be? 10,400 plus 416, that is 10,816. Okay, 816. Now I told you there are two ways you can use to calculate the compound interest. One is subtracting the final amount from the original principal, and the other is adding the interest of the first year and the second year. So you can use any method that you like. So I'll just make it a little easier now. I'll use the second method for instance because I haven't used it so far. So let's use it. Last time the interest is equal to interest of first year plus interest of second year, right? So we'll have what, 400 was the interest for the first year, 400 plus second year we had 416. So I'll put it down here. So you get 400 plus 416, that is 816 rupees. This is the final answer, the compound interest that is required, rupees 816. That is our answer. Option D is 816. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye.